Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable judges, this time I'm standing in strong affirmation of the motion that this House will that school should expel student who commit a bullying case. Bullying is a severe issue that has lasting consequences on individuals and learning environment. Here I will provide 4 main arguments to support our stance. And before I go for my speech, I'm Tsabitah Shofia and I'm a student of Senior High School 2 Mojokerto. According to the data which I cite from the Indonesian Child Protection Commission, violence cases in educational institutions are like the tip of the iceberg, with many cases still hidden and neglected. The Indonesian Child Protection Commission has received 38 and 77 complaints, of which 329 related to violence in educational settings. Furthermore, until March 2024, KPAI has received 383 complaints of child protection violations, and 34% of these cases occur in educational settings. Based on this data, we can emphasize that the highest complaints were for children who were victims of bullying. Bullying is a pervasive problem in schools worldwide, with devastating consequences for victims and a negative impact on the overall learning environment. While there are various approaches to addressing bullying, expulsion remains a necessary and effective measure in many cases. This motion argues that schools should expel students who commit bullying to ensure the safety and well-being of all students, promote a positive school culture, and deter future incidents. So that's why I'm standing in here strongly agree with the motion today that schools should expel students who commit a bullying case. First and foremost, schools have duty to protect their students, and expelling bullies is a necessary measure to safeguard the well-being of the victims. Bullying often results in severe emotional, psychological, and even physical harm. Victims of bullying frequently experience depression, anxiety, low self-esteem, and poor academic performance. In extreme cases, the effect of bullying can lead to long-term trauma, including suicidal thoughts and behaviors. By allowing bullies to remain in the same school environment, the institution is failed to protect the victims, ladies and gentlemen. By expelling students who bully others, school can uphold a safe and respectful environment for all students. Second, schools are meant to be places where students can learn and grow in a safe, supportive environment. And when bullying is tolerated, the entire school atmosphere becomes toxic and hostile, ladies and gentlemen. Students who witness bullying may feel unsafe, distracted, and anxious, which hinders their ability to focus on their studies. Ladies and gentlemen, a single bully can disrupt the harmony of an entire school community. Expelling students who commit bullying sends a strong message that this type of behavior will not be tolerated. It reassures students that their school takes the issue seriously and is willing to take decisive action to maintain a positive and secure environment for all. A safe school is essential for students to thrive academically and socially. Third, I would like to convey that apart from its very serious impact on the victim, bullying is a serious violation that is very easy for other students to imitate. Even when bullying case is handled, bullying cannot be completely overcome. No one can guarantee that bullying will never ever happen again at school. Therefore, it is really ridiculous how the opposition of the House here agreed not to expel students who commit cases of bullying. Ladies and gentlemen, we must let bullies stay at school the same as allowing advanced stage cancer in the human body, which, if not immediately amputated, will damage other body organs and lead to death. Finally, expelling bullies teaches accountability. When students engage in harmful behavior, they must face appropriate consequences. Moreover, while expulsion may seem harsh, it does not necessarily mean that the student's education ends. Alternative schooling or rehabilitative programs can be offered to bullies to address the root causes of their behavior. This allows for a second change, but in an environment where they no longer pose a threat to others. In conclusion, expelling students who bully is not only about punishment, ladies and gentlemen, it is about protecting victims, preserving a safe learning environment, and ensuring the accountability it maintains. We believe that by expelling bullies, school will create a healthier, more inclusive atmosphere that benefits all students. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no other solution for a school to expel students who commit bullying case. Therefore, I, as the affirmative of the House here, strongly affirm the motion that school should expel students who commit bullying. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much.